How's it going, everybody? Sick Eric back again with another video, and today I'm going to be going over a little issue that I've been having with the Oneplus Buds Z. And I've heard some people have had this issue as well, to where you're listening to music or something and they automatically just stop playing the music randomly. They're in your ear, you push play, it plays music, and then you have them in your ear for a little bit, and then the music just stops playing. That has happened to me several times, and I realized that these do have sensors on the back to determine whether or not they are in your ear or out of your ear, therefore determining when to stop playing the music when you take them out. So if you ever had that issue to where they stopped playing music, it was annoying me one night. I thought it was my music player. I thought it was my phone. I'm rebooting my phone thinking everything is wrong with that, but it is the buds. The sensor on the back can get a little bit dirty from your earwax, your ear grease, your ear sweat, whatever the hell you have in your ear from wearing these for a while. They will get a little bit dirty on the back. All you got to do is take them out and give them a little wipe with your finger, possibly, your shirt or some sort of a rag, and just give them a little wipe on the back where these two little sensors are at. This is where it determines whether or not they are in your ear, and if they feel like they're out of your ear, they will stop playing music. So just give them a little wipe with your shirt or something. You might want to go with an alcohol pad and just clean these every now and then. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with your phone, there's nothing wrong with your buds. It's just the sensor on these is very sensitive. So if you ever have that problem, wipe them down, give them a little clean, and then put them back in your ear, and you will be good to go. So hopefully this helps you fix that problem if you're having that issue with the Oneplus Buds Z and they stop playing music on you. Just go ahead and clean them and you will be ready to rock and roll. I love these things. They sound really, really nice, especially if you have them hooked up to a Oneplus device. They sound really good. Battery life could be a little bit better, but I like these. I got these for free when I pre-ordered the OnePlus 9 Pro, and I use these every day and noticed that if you keep them clean, you will not have any issues whatsoever. So hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did, thumbs down if you didn't, and you guys stay safe out there. Subscribe, like, and share, and peace.